y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get this simple eye look. It takes me about a minute to do it and it's great for summer. It's going to be great transitioning into fall. I know no one wants to think about fall or school coming back or anything like that just yet. Personally, I'm really looking forward to fall. I love summer, but I really love chunky sweaters and leggings, and I love fall makeup and all that sort of stuff. So I'm looking forward to it a bit. So don't forget to like this video if it was helpful, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss any videos. I post every Wednesday. And yeah, oh, and leave a comment down below telling me if you're looking forward to fall or you want summer to last forever. But anyway, let's just go ahead and get into the video.
Alright, so to start off, I'm going to take the Flower Beauty Concealer, and I'm going to use this to prime my eyes today. And I'm just going to set it with the Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder. So setting your primer with a powder will help your shadow blend out a bit easier. The palette that I'm going to use today is the Milani Everyday Eyes palette in the Earthy Elements one. And I'm going to go in with this brown shade right here. And you can use any brown shade you like, but I'm going to just take this into my crease and build it up slowly. So going in with shadow, you can always add more, just a little harder to take it away. So always go in with less than what you think you need and build it up from there. So I'm going to switch my brush from the long blender to the short, more flat, fluffy brush. And I'm going to go in with this deeper shade right here and just use this on the outer corner. So this will just provide a little bit more definition and give it more of that smoky effect. Now, of course, you can keep it lighter and just go in with the first brown shade if you'd like, but I like my eyes to be a little bit darker. You want to make sure that you go back and blend the two shades together because you don't want any harsh lines. So with a flat shader brush, I'm going to go in with this light champagne shade right here, and I'm just going to take that all over the lid. Now putting it towards the inner corner will help to give more of that bright, awake look, which is definitely what we're going for here. And you want to make sure that you blend that together so you don't have any harsh lines. So I was just going back with my other two brushes before and without any additional product and blending that out. So I'm going to go back in with that Essence Banana Powder and use it right below the brow bone. For an everyday look, I like to take a brown eyeliner instead of a black. I find that it gives just a softer look. Then I'm going to be going in with the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. And I do like to add false lashes on an everyday look, but to keep things simple, we're just going to go with mascara today.
Alright, so I went ahead and finished up the rest of my makeup off camera. I will be doing a foundation routine later on. On my lips, I actually have the Milani Matte Lip Creams in the shade 04 Lust. And then the Metallic Matte Lip Cream in 01 Chromatic Addict, which is, if you haven't seen the video where my 1-year-old picks my makeup, I'll link that down below. But this is one of the lip products that she picked, and I haven't been able to put it down ever since. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you back here next week.